damn, how real is this? I know them whole niggas gon' be feeling this. East Coast nigga, but how trill is this? Still don't give a shit, my ignorance is still a bliss.
Goddamn, how real is this? I know them whole niggas gon' be feeling this. East Coast nigga, but how trill is this? Still don't give a shit, my ignorance is still a bliss.
Stone cold love, rose gold slugs. I could afford it, I imported stone cold drugs. Stone cold rolling stone, I'm a stone nigga. Write it on my tombstone, I was stoned nigga. Don't remember me as a wannabe New Orleans nigga. Slash lean sippin' Tennessee nigga, nah. Influenced by Houston, hear it in my music. A trill nigga to the truest, show you how to do this. My all gold grills give her cold chills. Says she got a coat feel, cause I'm so trill. Two dope boys scale, but I sold pills. No deal, put her on her feet, toenails. I'm vampires, I'm bloodsuckers, I'm thirsty killers. We bout it, we routed, that Percy Miller. No really real, we chill, don't sports and chiller. My bounty hunter's a bounty killer, I'm about my Skrilla. Give me the title, then give me the cash. Put it in back and I'm onto the trash. Full of my stash, shit in my swag. Niggas is wicked and whack. Like crisscross, her lip gloss. Slip-ons get slipped off, my bitch boss, Crystal.